The automotive industry is on the cusp of a groundbreaking transformation, driven by an urgent need for sustainability. This shift is not just a trend but a necessary evolution to combat climate change and reduce our carbon footprint. While electric vehicles have made significant strides in reducing carbon emissions, they are just the beginning of this green revolution. A new breed of eco-conscious cars is emerging, promising to slash those footprints even further. These vehicles are designed with the planet in mind, incorporating the latest in green technology. Imagine a future where your car not only runs on electricity, but also generates a significant portion of its own power, thanks to integrated solar panels and other renewable energy sources. This innovation dramatically reduces its reliance on the grid and minimizes its environmental impact, making it a true game-changer in the automotive world. This is not a far-off dream. It's the reality these revolutionary vehicles are bringing to life. They are already on the roads, showcasing what the future of transportation can look like. These vehicles leverage cutting-edge technologies, innovative design, and sustainable materials to create a product that is both efficient and eco-friendly. Sustainable manufacturing processes are employed to achieve an unprecedented 90% reduction in carbon emissions compared to conventional gasoline-powered cars. This is a monumental leap forward. This paradigm shift in automotive design is not just about cleaner energy, it's about reimagining the entire automotive ecosystem. It's about rethinking everything from the materials used in production to the very experience of driving, ensuring every aspect is as sustainable as possible. From the factory floor to the open road, these advancements signal a future where mobility and sustainability go hand in hand. Creating a harmonious balance between technology and nature. Paving the way for a greener and more responsible automotive industry, these innovations are setting new standards for what is possible in the world of transportation. The secret to achieving such a dramatic reduction in carbon emissions lies in a multifaceted approach that combines several innovative technologies, each playing a crucial role in the overall performance and sustainability of the vehicle. At the heart of these vehicles are next-generation batteries with significantly higher energy density than those found in traditional electric vehicles. These advanced batteries can store more energy, enabling longer driving ranges and reducing the frequency of charging, which is a major convenience for users. But the innovation doesn't stop there. The design and materials used in these cars are equally groundbreaking. These eco-warriors incorporate extensive use of lightweight materials, such as carbon fiber and aluminum alloys, in their construction. By shedding unnecessary weight, these vehicles require less energy to propel, further increasing their efficiency and reducing overall energy consumption. Perhaps the most striking feature of these vehicles is the integration of solar panels directly into their design. These integrated solar panels capture energy from the sun, converting it into electricity to power the vehicle's systems and extend its range. This means that on sunny days, these cars can generate a significant portion, if not all, of the energy they need to operate, essentially allowing them to run on sunshine. This not only reduces dependency on charging stations but also promotes a cleaner, greener mode of transportation. Leading the charge in this exciting new frontier of sustainable mobility are companies like Lightyear and Aptera. Lightyear, a Dutch startup, has garnered significant attention with its Lightyear 2, a sleek aerodynamic sedan that boasts an impressive range of up to 500 miles on a single charge. Aptera, a US-based company, is taking a more unconventional approach with its three-wheeled Aptera solar electric vehicle. Designed with an aerodynamic teardrop shape and covered in solar panels, the Aptera aims to provide up to 1,000 miles of range, with a significant portion of that coming from solar energy alone. These companies are not just building cars, they are building a movement, challenging the status quo and demonstrating that sustainability and performance can coexist in the automotive world. Their groundbreaking vehicles offer a glimpse into a future where driving is no longer synonymous with environmental guilt, but instead becomes a statement of ecological responsibility. While traditional electric vehicles have made significant contributions to reducing transportation-related emissions, these new-age eco-cars represent a significant leap forward in sustainability, offering innovative solutions that go beyond what traditional EVs can provide. Traditional electric vehicles still rely heavily on the electric grid for charging, and the electricity generated to power those grids may come from fossil fuels, depending on the region. This reliance on non-renewable energy sources can undermine the environmental benefits of electric vehicles. Furthermore, The production of batteries for traditional electric vehicles can be energy-intensive and generate a significant carbon footprint. The mining and processing of raw materials for these batteries also pose environmental challenges. The innovative vehicles we've been discussing address these limitations head-on by generating their own clean energy through solar panels, which harness the power of the sun to charge the vehicle's battery. Additionally, these vehicles utilize more sustainable materials in their construction, drastically reducing their overall environmental impact. This holistic approach to sustainability sets them apart from traditional EVs. Outpacing traditional electric vehicles in the race towards carbon neutrality, these eco-cars are paving the way for a greener future. The extended driving range offered by these eco-cars also alleviates range anxiety, a common concern among potential electric vehicle buyers. With more miles per charge, drivers can travel longer distances without worrying about finding a charging station. This increased range makes them a more practical and appealing option for a wider range of drivers, further accelerating the transition to sustainable transportation. As more people adopt these advanced eco-cars, we move closer to a future where clean, renewable energy powers our daily commutes. The commitment to sustainability extends beyond the vehicles themselves to encompass the entire manufacturing process. These eco-conscious car makers are pioneering green manufacturing methods that minimize waste, reduce energy consumption, and utilize recycled and sustainable materials whenever possible. From sourcing raw materials responsibly to implementing closed-loop production systems, these companies are striving to minimize their ecological footprint at every stage of the vehicle's life cycle. This holistic approach to sustainability sets a new standard for the automotive industry, demonstrating that it is possible to produce high-quality vehicles while minimizing environmental impact. By embracing eco-friendly manufacturing practices, these companies are not only reducing their own carbon footprint, but also inspiring other industries to adopt more sustainable practices, contributing to a greener and more sustainable future for all. The innovations in these eco-friendly cars are not just about saving the planet, they are also about enhancing the driving experience. Imagine a daily commute where you are no longer tethered to the gas pump or even the charging station. These vehicles, with their extended ranges and ability to generate their own power, offer a level of freedom and convenience that surpasses even traditional EVs. Imagine driving down the road, knowing that your car is not emitting harmful pollutants into the environment. Imagine parking your car in the sun and having it charge itself, ready for your next adventure. This is the future that these vehicles are creating. A future where driving is no longer a guilty pleasure, but a source of pride, knowing that you are contributing to a cleaner, healthier planet. The innovations we see today are just the tip of the iceberg. The future of low-carbon vehicles is brimming with possibilities. Researchers are continuously working on developing even more efficient solar panels, lighter and stronger materials, and faster charging batteries. Imagine a future where cars can communicate with each other, optimizing traffic flow and reducing congestion, further minimizing emissions. Imagine cars that can drive themselves, freeing up our time and reducing the risk of accidents. These advancements, combined with the ongoing development of smart cities and renewable energy infrastructure, paint a picture of a future where transportation is not only sustainable but also seamlessly integrated into a cleaner, more efficient and interconnected world. The emergence of these ultra-eco-friendly cars represents a pivotal moment in the evolution of the automotive industry. It signifies a shift away from the gas-guzzling behemoths of the past towards a future where cars are not just modes of transportation, but integral parts of a sustainable ecosystem. The transition to these sustainable vehicles will require a collective effort. Governments, automakers, and consumers must work together to accelerate the adoption of these technologies. Governments can incentivize the purchase of these vehicles, invest in charging infrastructure, and implement policies that promote sustainable transportation. Automakers need to continue to innovate, making these vehicles more affordable and accessible to the masses. And consumers need to embrace these changes, recognizing that their transportation choices have a direct impact on the health of our planet. The future of mobility is in our hands. As consumers, we have the power to choose vehicles that align with our values. The next time you consider buying a car, ask yourself, do I want a car that contributes to the problem, or do I want a car that's part of the solution? These revolutionary eco-friendly cars offer us a chance to be part of a movement towards a more sustainable future. They represent a future where driving is no longer a compromise but a statement of our commitment to a healthier planet. The road to a greener future is paved with innovation, and these cars are leading the way. The question is, are you ready to join the ride?